Scientists unite, tourists of a Vengi in this
Math
fight.
scientist.
Together we are gone.
Hello guys, welcome to the fourth tutorial for Python. Now in this tutorial we're going to be talking about for loops. So what is a for loop? A for loop is basically a way to reduce the amount of code that you have to write by basically writing a repetitive statement, a statement that will perform multiple times. Instead of you doing the task physically multiple times, you just do the task multiple times on its own. So it will be very repetitive if I have to write, for example, wrong on your hello to people. I have to send a message. For example, if I'm using a bot, I have to write code to send message. Each time I have to write hello, 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 hello. So I'll just have a statement which will just send hello to 50 people at the same time. Just go on for 50 times sending automatically. So this is basically what a for loop is. It will do the task multiple times, the same task multiple times. So this is a simple code that is showing this getting. So we say for. Now I've declared a variable in integer here, assigned it to 0. Then I've said for I is in range 10. Now that this just means that I is in the range between what I is now and the value 10. So it will go on until I reaches the point where I is equal to 10. So so multiple times, so for 10 times it will print the statement. Then below it, I'm going to say I equal to I plus. Now, what this is doing is saying for the first value of I, when I is equal to 0, it's going to print welcome, right? Because 0 is in the range of 10. Then it's going to say 0 I is now equal to 0 plus 1. Then it will go back. Then it will say for 1 is in a range of 10, that it finds that is in the range of 10, then it will print welcome. Then it will say I is equal to 1 plus 1. And it will keep doing this until it finds that the number it is now on, that I is now on, is no longer in the range of 10. This is a very important concept, and it reduces a lot of code that you have to write. It is very important because it will reduce the amount of code that you have to write. Okay, so this is not really that much to talk about. It is just to understand the core principles of programming, but it never really changes in structure. That is generally the structure that you're going to be dealing with, because it's very rare to use for loops, strings, or with even you can even use booleans. Let's just do a quick one, or you can say